Erin says access to locally grown fresh fruits and vegetables is really improving her health.
She participates in the FreshRx Food program and tells News on 6's Sawyer Bussey she's already seeing an improvement in her diabetes numbers.
Well, you got a lot of colors there.
Oh yeah, that makes it pretty. That makes it pretty.
Welcome to Deborah Cooper's kitchen.
And put my peppers and onions in first. Like I said, they don't make you feel like you're getting a handout. It's like come and get some longevity. Yeah.
It hasn't always been this way.
I was best friends with Little Debbie and her snack cakes.
Deborah says unhealthy foods were also friendlier to her budget and at times much more accessible than fresh local produce. Over the years, Deborah's sweet tooth started impacting her health. She was diagnosed with type 2 diabetes in June, and as a patient at Crossover Health Services was connected with the FreshRx team.
Our body can heal itself if it gets what it needs.
FreshRx is partnered with Oklahoma farmers, community partners, and patients at Crossover Health Services to bring fresh, locally grown produce to 52 participants with dangerously high A1C levels and type 2 diabetes.
Food is medicine, and it has this huge ripple effect.
Deborah is one of the FreshRx participants. In less than 11 weeks, her A1C levels have gone from a 10.6 to a 7.1.
They gave us all of these recipes with the items we were picking up. So that's like you gave me not just a car, but you gave me the keys too. And I have even passed up Debbie. I see where they set them out. I just hold my head up and say, girl, bye.
Deborah is a pastor of a growing ministry, and her physical health is starting to match her spiritual health. She says the same results are possible for others.
What I'm called to do, I want to be here to finish it, and I want to do it in excellence. And this program, it is life-changing.
Real outcomes, real food, real people.
Sawyer Bussey, Oklahoma's Own.
You should have your own cooking show.
News on 6.
I think you should.